thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me today. First and foremost, my wish to you, your family, your friends is to be safe, be healthy, and stay positive, because as a team, you know what? We are going to come out on the other side of this virus even better than we started. So just hang in there, and before long, you know what? Life is going to be back to normal. My sweet friend MomDas from her channel, MomDas Life Handmade, reached out to me and asked me if I would like to co-host her useful DIY challenge for the month of April. MomDas is so talented. Her channel consists of cooking, sewing, crafts, trash to treasure, organizational videos. I mean, she's absolutely amazing. Because it's so difficult for everyone to get out, and it's far more important that you stay home and stay safe, we decided that this month would be a perfect month to do a trash to treasure.
To participate in this fun Trash to Treasure challenge, you'll need to include the words Useful DIY Challenge April 2020 in your video title, along with the hashtag stash or trash to treasure in your description box. Show us your awesome DIY video and subscribe to both our channels. Please mention both our names, MomDas Life Handmade and Laurie Bly DIY, along with the playlist in your video as well as your description box. The upload date is April 23rd at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and that's where MomDas lives. I live on the East Coast of the United States, so for me it would be 7:30 a.m. on April 24th. So according to where you live, that will be your upload times.
I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody.